First we say my file is equal to fopen, and we want the path of the file, so that would be the directory. And we're going to add a directory separator. We're going to add a file name, and then we're going to add an extension because our file name doesn't come with an extension. So let's put it as markdown one time, and we're going to give it an attribute or mode of W. Then we're going to call fWrite, and this is going where we put our content, and that actually should do it. We can call fclose to close our file. Since we are finished using it, we're going to remove all of this, and we're going to test it out and see. So fopen opens a file or URL. Remember, the mode we added was W, and W is open for writing only. Place the file pointer at the beginning of the file and truncate the file to 0 length. Alright, so that's what we did here. We used fopen. This is the part of the file. It doesn't currently exist, but it will be. And then we call fWrite to actually write the changes to the file. Right, so we write into the file, and then we call fclose to close the operation. Alright, so let's see if we can get that to work. Our new file is going to be codes, and then we're going to say put codes here, and we're going to say save changes. So we didn't get any errors, but let's see. And in our files we can see that codes was created. Put codes here was in the content, so we can now create a file and have the content that we put in there saved. So now that we can create files, so we can create as many files as we want to. What we want to be able to do is we want to be able to save changes to the files that we made. So we want to be able to view the files that we made and save changes to them. So in order to do that, what we have to do is get a listing of the files